There are multiple ways you can choose to take screenshots on a Windows 11 PC. I will show you in this video few of them. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. The print screen button on your laptop's keyboard, spelt as PRTSCR or PRTSC on some laptops, is the fastest way you can take a screenshot. As soon as you press it, it takes a screenshot and copies it to your keyboard quietly. Mostly, we take screenshots to share with someone. So, press PRTSC and paste it anywhere you like. Windows plus Shift plus S and you will get an overlay with 4 options on the top. You can choose if you want to take a rectangular snip, for which you will have to draw a rectangle selecting the desired area on the screen, or a free-form snip if your area is not rectangular. Not to mention, the captured snip is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you like. Additionally, you can click on the notification, informing that the snip was captured, to doodle over or save the snip to a file. Windows plus G. Windows 11 also comes with a native screen recorder packaged with its game bar. To activate that, press Windows plus G and then press on the capture icon in the center. You can also use the direct control to record instantly by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus R, after which you should see a recording indicator in the top right corner of your screen. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.